Hello dear viewer, I'm leesusss and welcome to Planetbase. Another one that's been languishing in my library for quite some time. So long, which is not uncommon, that apparently Planetbase 2 is going to be coming out at some point. There we go, we're still going to play Planetbase for a bit. Usually I switch between game types as I go between things. Obviously I've been playing a lot of Planetcrafter, but I thought, this one seemed interesting. First one, unfortunately, I've turned off the sound because I didn't get a strike, but I got a slap on the wrist from YouTube for the music in whatever the construction game I was playing recently, the Planetcrafter, Autocraft, and I'm back to being allergic to music again. So there we go. We don't have to play the tutorial yet. Do you want to do the tutorial? Yeah, I mean, it'd be pretty embarrassing if I go in there and I can't even move or something like that. So I know we're all allergic to tutorials, but I guess we better do it for this one. Yeah, just get it done. Out we come. Our dusty little nubbin has landed. Landed on a desert planet. An achievement. Oh, there's multiples. Oh, I thought it would be just one of us. But apparently there's loads of us. We're all colour-coded. Right. A group of human pioneers. I wanted to be on my own, but never mind. We can't always be on our own. In a not so distant future, trying to establish an outpost on a remote planet. Definitely not Mars. Okay. So we can move around, yes. And the basic controls, yes. WASD, rotate camera using Q and E, or drag the mouse button. We are fully in control of stuff. Build somewhere to live. Okay. Metal and bioplastic. Where the hell do you get bioplastic from? Let me supply these in the colony ships. Be careful, extremely careful when spending it. Oxygen generator. Okay, yeah, is that... Oh, I thought it was going to be like a dome. Oh. I guess the dome is just the symbol for buildings. Requires power. So, solar panel. We've got here all sorts of things. Mines and landing pads. There we go. Slap it down there. And it's connected by automatic wires. Go on, guys, get to it. Connect. No, I have to connect it. Share power and water, and in case of interior structure, allows corners to walk between them. Click one, then click the other. If a connection thing is possible. Look at that. Who's actually doing the work here? We're just standing around. The droids are doing all the work. Typical, eh? Oh no, we're carrying stuff in. We're carrying stuff in. There's no O2 in there though. I don't want to speed things. I can speed things up, I guess, but I don't want to. We're doing fine for now, aren't we? We've got wind speed up here. We've got the time. How many people and how many bots? Good. Okay, there you go. And now we've got power. Does that mean we will get oxygen? Oh, you want me to adjust the speed? Okay, now you'll only be able to place new structures in such a way that they can be connected to the existing ones. Potential connections are indicated by a green line. Oh, it needs water. Of course it does. You're turning the water into O2 and hydrogen using this. A water extractor. Are we in the South Pole of Mars then, I guess? Well, no one said it's been Mars, so we don't know where we are. Water and power generation don't need to be directly connected to the destination structure. Oh, they can just be part of the grid, not part of the whole structure. Well, first of all, let's set it to 1 times by 1. And then we build... So an interior structure contains... Okay, an interior structure means you can go inside it. And an exterior structure means something like that. So we put that over... Does it matter where we put it? I guess we don't. There you go. I guess it'll all just flow through, won't it? You should build an airlock so you can actually, the little buggers can actually get indoors. Sure. There's an airlock. Oh, I thought it was going to be on here, but I guess not. Does it cost us anything to build this? What's this? Condition excellent. Oh, I guess it'll get worn down, won't it? Yeah, it'll get worn down over time because all this nasty dust, this iron oxide dust, will get in there and F everything up. Right, are you doing it now? Are you working? Are you building the connection? Good job, guys. Good job, good job. How can we see how much O2 they all have? Are they all going to fall over in a minute? Oh, it's all working very well, isn't it? O2, 22%. Fine. Guys, you want to rush indoors in a minute? Okay, now you need to connect that. How much have we got left in here? Oh, there's all our stuff. Metals and bioplastics. Medical supplies. Oh, very good, very good. Okay. I'm so glad this is a little bit different from Planet Crafter. In that, you know, we've got a team here. It's more of a colony simulation, isn't it? The airlock is slow to use. That's a good idea. Build more than one because people will be going in and out and getting in each other's ways. It needs time to cycle. Build a canteen so they can eat and drink. They can't just eat and drink anywhere? Okay, exterior structure. Now, let's have a think about this. Oh, you're not going to let me choose, are you? Just make me build it there. So let's build two. Like that. And then like that. You're not going to let me build a structure? Maybe I have to build this one before I can build that. But I do like the idea to be able to walk through very easily. And probably somewhere over here, like later, we can put another... We've got a couple more buildings. We can put another airlock, maybe? Everything's in here right now. So it's good that there's a connection here. But we want this mostly for traffic, for things coming out of the ship. Not like something else. We don't want any clashes of traffic, do we really? I did play a bit of Ad Astra, which is more of a distance-based game in terms of that you're looking down from high orbit, and I kind of enjoyed it, but it was very slow, and I didn't feel it was quite as interesting for the viewer. You know what it felt like to me? I don't know. It was a good game, but I lost interest a little bit after a while. What are you guys actually doing? Are you actually building? You're just sort of walking around. Does someone want to come and do this? You're filling your suits? What are you doing? Just sort of walking around, milling about. The droids are coming. You looking to stay outside. You don't have to be indoors unless there's a reason to. Yeah, just stay out here in the dust. Get on with it. Okay, nice big canteen. They're not putting this underground, you know, so I guess they're not worried about, you know, solar rays coming in. I know it's more difficult to dig out the regolith and put thing underneath, but I thought it'd be more shielding, you know. Okay, that's done. Oxygen's coming across. Interior structures always need to be connected to at least one other interior structure so colonists can move between them. Some structures can have components placed in them. These provide additional functionality. Very nice. So you should now build some components in the canteen. A table, a drinking fountain, and a video screen. They can watch Coronation Street. Very good. To build components, click on the structure. And then... Structure's low on oxygen? We'll make more of it then. Table. One table. One drinking fountain. Needs its own space over here. We're not putting it over. We can't really put it over here, can we? There you go. You're just standing around. Yeah, get on with it, guys. On a video screen. Oh, I like that. You can. We'll put it over here so you can watch it while you're eating your. Like, you'd be craning your necks, wouldn't you? Actually, but never mind. Eat or drink. You might want to have a closer look at what's going on inside your base. You can show the Show Tops button menu button to hide what's inside. There we go. We can actually have a look at them. What are you up to? When the top's disabled, you can select components or colonists inside and see their status. Sometimes, like the dorm, are dead ends. They can only be connected to one other structure. Should probably take this into account when designing your base. Good idea. You. What are you up to? ISIS Marshal Biologist. Okay, you all seem fine. You seem fine. What you got here? Caroline Norris, just walking around, being a worker. Matthew Blair, got to keep an eye on that one. He's just a worker. Who's this? Have you named the droids? There's CR1. That's not very exciting, is it? Fritz Matthews, good job, fella. Medic, should you be doing that as a medic? Should you not be watching people in here? Rants. Good old Rancis Cardenas here, carrying bioplastic to table. Yeah, having a bit more bioplastics. In Ad Astra, it was taking just generic chemicals, I think, out of the ground, but which you could assume was like hydrocarbons or something, and making plastics. Everything's being built, which is all very good. What are we getting low on? Spares, just repair, I guess. Everything's going down, but we've got enough supplies. I mean, everyone's. Oh, we need to place the dawn, don't we? I forgot about that, didn't I? You were telling me to do it. So if we put. Oh, wait, you're not going to let me give any choice, are you, really? I was just thinking about where I should put it, but I guess over here will, like, makes sense. And also, travel time? You know, you don't want to be going too long from your bed to your workplace. So I imagine if there was like a workshop thing, I'd like to build it over here. And then, you know, you can go to your canteen to eat your breakfast, then you can go over here to your workshop. Maybe another airlock over here. And then there's the airlock here. What we got up here? Wind speed's dropping. We're going quite fast, aren't we, really? Look, 8 hours. How many days? What's that then? It's like a 32-hour day? If 16's about here? Maybe a bit longer. Oh no, the night will be on there as well, won't it? Unless if this encompasses day and night. And I guess we're on about a 20-hour day maybe, and the rest of this will be night. Everyone seems fairly happy, which is the main thing. Let's speed them up a little bit. Bit more. Get on with it, guys. We've got 4 times as max. Can I do anything with the keys? It says I should be able to, but it's not actually doing it on the keyboard. What if I do... Ah, there we go. Numpad. Numpad will do it. Good, okay. Any bunks and things? Yeah, okay. We click on here. Yeah, there we go. Thank you, game. Ooh, wee around the edge. Okay, good stuff. Pack a load of people in there. Everyone's huffing everyone else's farts. Let's do the game speed. Get on with it, guys. Go in there. Go in there. Just fanning about, aren't you, really? Only so many people can do the jobs. I think we'll probably get to the point where everyone's busy all the time. In fact, we haven't got time to do everything, have we? I've not got enough manpower to do everything, but I don't like them standing around idle for now. Power storage, yeah, exactly. I mean, we've seen that the wind speed is very high right now, but we saw it dropping down almost to nothing. So battery power is going to be very important. Storage require a big amount of power. Let's make a battery, and of course solar panels during the day. Yes, right. But in different sizes. Oh, I like that. I mean, we feel a bit sheltered around here. So I'd imagine we want more space for. We'd want, if we want to be at somewhere like put our wind turbines up high somewhere. But we'll try and build it up. Should we try and build one up there? Let's try and do. If we do a power collector. Oh, fine, fine game. We'll do one over here. There you go. As you're not going to let me change my. My pants here. Also, I wonder if this water thing is interesting me. It's just drilled down. It's just getting into the permafrost in the ground or something. Or are there certain places where we have to? There's a resource under here that we know about that we don't know about, but we can see under a different map thing. Are you all tired? Well, can I build you another? It's not going to let me. I would love to build you another more beds, guys, but we're hot bedding right now. And the game's only let me build 2 bunks, which I'll build more when I can. How tired are you? You're only a bit sleepy. Oh, come on. Get over yourselves. It's fine. Right, okay. No sympathy. What are we doing now? We're gonna build a wind turbine. Fine game, you want to be awkward about it. Oh, it changes shape depending on how big it is. I like it. We'll do one connection for now. 2 seems frivolous. We can always route through here, can't we? Yes, game. I'll speed it up. There you go. I suppose anything can go wrong in the tutorial, can it really? I hope not anyway. Right, you finished in there, guys? Yeah, straight. Bed still warm. The submarine. The naval submarine experience. Bed still warm from the previous person. No fighting over who gets what bunk. They all seem pretty happy, though. Droids, you got a recharge station? Okay, conditions good. Okay, fine. Power management is critical. It's a critical part of running your base. It will typically need a combination of several solar panels, wind turbines, and power collectors to ensure there's a constant flow of electricity. One of our main challenges we will face will be to maintain a constant supply of food for your colonists. Food is usually grown in vegetable pads in the biodome and then processed in the meal maker in the canteen. Okay. Biodome. There we go again. You're not giving me any choices, game, but that's fine. Right, you get onto that. Please let me build another bunk bed. No, fine. What does this do? Oh, we can spy on our colonists. Who's this? I can't tell. Is that old Rancid going past there? Who's this? Another one's going for a sleep. Let me watch you sleeping. Yes, I've seen Project Hail Mary. Right. Okay, that's kind of fun. I'd like a little tour of the base. What are you lot doing? You're just standing there, are you? Thinking, where's my breakfast? You haven't grown it yet. No one's prepped it yet. Have a drink of the water fountain while you're waiting. Look at the screen. Where is the screen? I can't even see the screen. I'm looking out through the screen, I guess. Fine. What's this? Tomato pad, onion pad, and a meal maker. Everyone's eating tomatoes and onions, aren't they? I mean, it's the start of a pasta sauce, I guess. Is it a nutritious meal? Where's the beans? Huh? Where's the beans? That's what I want to know. There's some beans in there. Fine. I guess we can do the meal maker, can't we? We can do that while we're waiting. Here we can. There we go. Meal maker we'll put over... we haven't got a lot of choice. It's actually quite big. Put it here. Have another table over this side. Tomato pad and onion pad. Right, okay. Fast production and high maintenance. I bet it is. Hydroponics are a pain in the bum. What else can we do here? Radishes, mushroom. Need some mushrooms. Genetically modified. Peas, perfect. Peas, rice, potatoes. Potatoes, you know potatoes are best. Maize? Isn't maize a bit tricky? Fine. How are them tomatoes looking? Vegetable patterns need to be maintained by biologists, and they will decay if they're not. They will decay and eventually stop producing. Well, we've got 2 biologists, I seem to remember, so that's good. What if we're going to get new people coming in? I mean, we're not going to breed our way out of this, are we? This is not Dwarf Fortress. Well, even Dwarf Fortress doesn't rely on breeding. What am I talking about? We need new colonists arriving. You know, we need to thaw them out from the ship that's floating in orbit and just chuck them down in the landing pods. Most structures, including the colony ship, can be recycled to get back resources from them. Let's not recycle anything... Oh, no, you're going to make me. Okay, fine. There you go. Everyone run out and collect that stuff, please. You'll only be able to recycle structure that doesn't isolate any of the existing ones. Good, okay. In order to survive in the medium term, you'll need to produce more resources so you can build more advanced structures. So give me a mine, then. There we go. Build a mine. Where's it going to go? Over here? Okay, yeah, fine. Is that not going to block the airlock by doing that? No? The processing plant is the structure where raw materials are processed into refined resources. The metal processor component can generate metal from ore. Right. Yeah. Okay, we'll keep building. Where's the thingy for this? Why is it over here? So you've got to carry the stuff from all the way over here to here. Does that make sense? I'm not sure it does, you know. I guess this is the workplace. This is a workplace. Someone's going down to mine. Who's working in the mine? Just general workers, I guess. Doesn't seem very logical to me. Put your metal processor next to your mine. How are we doing for resources? Hasn't it all gone down very much? A little bit. The game's been fairly generous, I think, with like how much we've got. How did you manage to stack them 4 high? That's pretty impressive. Look at that. Okay. Yeah. Oh, everything's good. So we're not running out of low on O2 at the moment. Guess we're doing okay so far. All the water's running low. A metal processor. Yes. Okay, we could put 4 in here, can't we? Fine. It's all very good for a tutorial game. I think at this point now, game, I think you've got the basics in there. You should just let me do whatever I want to do and fiddle around and cause my own problems. But let's see what it does. Let's make a nice link for a video as well. They stop soon. There we go. Metal processor has been built. Now your workers will start going to the ore mine to extract ore. They'll take the ore to the metal processor all the way over here, which is not logical, and convert it to the metal. Later on, we'll be able to use bots to perform some of these tasks. Oh, bioplastic. Okay, starch in the bioplastic. Okay, so we're not going to eat our potatoes. Yes, not all vegetables are starchy. The ones that are produce less food. Are you having a laugh? Potatoes are less food. Sure. Rice? You want to make things out of rice? I mean, Anno 20, whatever it was, used to use sunflower. But that makes a bit more sense, I suppose, for the oil. I mean, I don't know about rice. And rice is a very good source of food. Oh, fine. Fine, game, you do what you want to do. You know? Oh, the wind's dropped to nothing, by the way. The wind turbine's doing absolutely nothing right now. I need to see our power management, really. See if we're it's not up here, unfortunately. I'm not seeing how badly it's being affected. What's this? It's how much in the grid. Okay. Yeah, okay, fine. Colonists and carrier bots will take the right resources to the required components they can produce. Hold on. Colonists and carrier bots will take the right resources to the required components. Do you mean the buildings? So that they can produce. I guess the components are the things inside the buildings. You can control production or by disabling components or by lowering the priority of a particular structure. Solar panels and wind towers need to be maintained periodically with spares. If you fail to do this, they will stop functioning and then we all die. Well, not me, but you lot all die. Spares are produced in the spares workshop component in the factory structure. The tutorial has been forcing you to place structures at predetermined locations. I know, but from now on you'll be able to freely place them wherever terrible locations you want to put them. So, place a factory. Well, I would say we're making the bits for the factory here. Yeah? Is that not correct? So therefore, I would say it would make sense to build one here. And in fact, a double connection seems pretty darn swanky to me. Do we need to leave space? What do you reckon? I would think this is a critical thing, actually. The connection distance doesn't seem to matter. So I think we're going to do, but we'll do this anyway because I think it's just more efficient use of space. We can have this like a hub, maybe. The factory. We have another dome. Well, we need another dorm off there if we need to. We've got lots of space in here for now. What's this? What's the problem? You're sleepy. No, you're not that sleepy. Tell me when it gets down to about here. Okay, then you can say you're sleepy. You can feel a bit. You're feeling a bit bushed. Yeah, if you're that tired, just have a coffee or something. We haven't got any coffee. Have some synth coffee. You know what these games are like. Sci-fi stuff. They've always got a synthy soy and synthy meat and everything else. Oh, by the way, this is a terrible idea. Why have you put this so close to the dorm? Because you're going to hear that. You're going to feel it vibrating through your bunk. That oomph-a-bump noise going on there. I mean, it's kind of hypnotic. Maybe I would like it, like a more rhythmic version of the seaside. Vegetables 3. Okay, we have some vegetables, some spare vegetables, I presume. Oh yeah, we've got some lying around. Look, onions lying around. Yeah, there we go. I wouldn't eat too many onions and tomatoes. I wouldn't eat too many onions and tomatoes, though, guys. If I were you, I think you can probably excessive. You'll probably get an allergic reaction eventually if you eat too much of that. Ever had that with mangoes? Somebody get an allergic reaction to mangoes? Eat too many mangoes? Where are you going? You in there? What are you doing in there? I can't see inside the mine, which is a shame. Right, what are we doing? Oh, the spares workshop. I guess they're still building it. No. What goes in here? Is this the spares work? No, I can't do that. I guess you haven't finished it yet, have you? So I can't do the spares workshop. In your own time, guys. Get on with it. Build your little domey bits over here as well. Have I not built the spares workshop? Yeah. There it is. Fine. So you go from the thumper over to the whatever this does. Looks like a bench drill. This is a cutting machine, I guess, of some sort. It's going to cut the bits out. There we go. The factory components are operated by engineers, not workers. Not old slobby workers. They aren't good enough. Send them down the mine. You need proper engineers to do that. Each place has a sick bay. So you can try treatment for injured miners and sick colonists. Medics can heal people in the sick bay using medical supplies. Right, okay, now you heard they're miners. So where are you most likely to get an injury? Here. Yeah, are you right there? Oh, you're in poor condition. Are you fixing yourself? Are you fixing yourself, little fella? Not sure. Not sure what's going on there. Someone needs to fix him, or the robot can fix himself. That one's complaining as well, look. Got dust in his servos. Right. Medical bay. Injuries are likely to happen here and here. And also in the mine. So I suggest we put a med bay here, so it's also quick to get into in case someone's injured outside. Oh, I can't connect it to that, can I? Look. I can't connect it to the airlock. Which is a bit funny. There. Okay, we've got a lot of traffic going through here now, but fine, we'll do that. Why can't I do that? I don't get it. There we go. Limited number of connections, maybe. Does it say that somewhere in here? How many connections you can have? Place component bed. Where do most accidents occur? Well, in the old joke, it's most accidents occur in the home, and therefore experts advise you to move. That's a very old joke. Not a very good one, but it's an old joke. And therefore has value by being old. Like me. How are we doing here? 29 minutes. I think we're putting it to call in a minute. It's good, isn't it? I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this quite a lot. Little, you know, it's very, very relaxing. We haven't hit any real problems yet. It's just resource management, I guess. Are you completely broken down? Very poor. How is someone going to build this? Is someone going to repair this? This poor little fella? Are we making spares? What's that there? That's starch. We've got spares. Does anyone want to go out and drag that fella inside and fix him up? Poor little CNT2, who I won't immediately give a nickname to because I'm just probably going to get myself in trouble if I do that. Show tops. Oh, we've got a top on there all the time. Fine. Medbay. Is it not finished? Oh, it's because he's stopped halfway, isn't he? Guys, there's a droid not working. It's broken. He can't fix the thing. Someone, look, okay, someone put a suit on. You've got two choices. You put a suit on, and you go out and you fix this. You finish it off, or you finish him when he finishes it off. What do you want to do? He's knocked out. Look, he's not. He's got an unconscious droid out here. This is not the happy note on which I want to end the video on space. Can we? This one's going to go as well before long. Are you going over there? He's an engineer. Shelby Hassan. Okay, priorities. No! Come back! Come back for this little fella. Yeah, you do that before I bloody do anything else. Right, spares? He will use one, I guess. One spare's going to go? Or did we have 11 and one was going to go? I don't know. Whee! Don't do that when you're feeling sick, do you? Right, okay. There. That'll do it. That'll do it. Are you're both friends again. Good. There we go. So we end on a happy note. They're a bit callous, but then so am I. Look at these fellas, just lying around and doing whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll do some more of this. I'm enjoying this one. We're waiting for that bed to be constructed, and we'll see what the game throws at us next episode, and hopefully a bit more free choice to get ourselves in trouble. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. I'll see you again next time.